Asking questions. Tom's Magic English. Do you like watermelon? Yes, I do. Do you like coffee? No, I don't. Do you have a brother? Yes, I do. Do you have a car? No, I don't. Do you play video games? Yes, I do. Do you play the violin? No, I don't. Do you eat sushi? Yes, I do. Do you eat snakes? No, I don't. Do you drink water? Yes, I do. Do you drink milkshake? No, I don't. Do you read books? Yes, I do. Do you read the newspaper? No, I don't. Do you watch TV? Yes, I do. Do you watch movies? No, I don't. Do you ride a bike? Yes, I do. Do you ride a horse? No, I don't. Do you draw a flower? Yes, I do. Do you draw a monster? No, I don't. Now it's your turn to ask and answer. 3, 2, 1, go.